Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our comparison video of synthetic fertilizers versus organic fertilizer. Watch till the end to find out which is the best for you. So the main difference between synthetic and organic fertilizers is their environmental impact. Synthetic fertilizers comprise petrochemical products and mineral ores that are chemically processed to make consistent ratios of nutrients. When applied over time, these fertilizers lead to the buildup of harmful chemicals like uranium and arsenic, hence environmental degradation. In contrast, organic fertilizers contain biochemically decomposed or fermented natural ingredients such as manure, compost, fish, and bone meal. These ingredients are environmentally friendly, renewable, sustainable, and biodegradable. Therefore, organic fertilizers win this category since they are environmentally safe. Impact on soil health and fertility. Continuous application of synthetic fertilizers depletes the soil of essential nutrients, rendering it infertile over time. Similarly, synthetic fertilizers lead to soil pH imbalance and a decline in the microbial population. On the other hand, as organic fertilizers break down over time, they release microbes and nutrients that benefit the soil. The result is improved soil texture, quality, fertility, and water retention. The positive impact of organic fertilizer on soil health and fertility makes it the best choice in this category. Application. Organic fertilizers are bulkier and messier, requiring more extensive and specific spreaders. Synthetic fertilizers are made in numerous forms, including pellets, powder, granules, and liquid, making their application more manageable. Therefore, synthetic fertilizer wins in this category since its application is cost-effective and easy. From the table, it is clear that organic fertilizers are the best choice because they contain a variety of nutrients that are safer for both plants and soil. Moreover, their nutrient release rate is optimal for plant absorption, reducing the need for frequent application. Organic fertilizers deliver long-lasting positive results. In contrast, synthetic fertilizers have higher concentrations of nutrients in precise amounts, providing an immediate nutrient boost to promote rapid growth and increased yields. Similarities. Both fertilizers contain nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are necessary for plant growth, development, and improved yields. Their applications include agriculture, gardening, and landscaping. In addition, both fertilizers alter the pH of the soil. Verdict. So, which one is better? Organic fertilizers are the best choice because they improve soil fertility and water retention. Similarly, they encourage long-term nutrient availability with minimal risk of over-fertilization. Also, organic fertilizers do not lead to the accumulation of toxins in the soil and positively impact the environment. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons you would like to see next from us.